Hello everyone, this is another requested video by one of our subscribers. They had requested that we do a video on the Indian mom on duty. Frankly speaking, I had never heard of her. So I had to go and look up the channel and see what this was all about, and found it rather interesting. Interesting that this lady also has two other YouTube channels. One is known as Beautiful Hamesha Marathi, beauty tips, benefits of products, etc. in Marathi, and there is a Beautiful Hamesha blog. It says it's owned by Kiran Raj Singh, probably her husband, and I think from what I have found, I think this was the first channel they opened, Beautiful Hamesha blog. Then she started the Marathi channel and the Indian Mom on Duty channel. And so in the Beautiful Hamesha Marathi channel, she has only 44 uploads and 113 subscribers, 9,000 views. Whereas in the Hamesha blog there are 23 uploads, 420 subscribers, 94,260 video views. Let's move on to Indian Mom on Duty, and here we see that though this was started in July 31st, 2015, this has quite a few views, quite a few subscribers, and a grade of B grade. That's quite a good grade, and also she has around 5,441 subscribers in just under a year. I think it's around 9 months, and she already has uploaded 177 videos, so it's pretty good. Just wanted to walk you guys through her channel. So here it says that she joined on July 30th 2015. That means this channel was created. This YouTube channel is more like a vlog, daily vlog. Her name is Kiran, has a daughter Anika, and I think this channel has picked up for her much better than the other two channels, because by the number of growth in subscribers and the amount of comments I have seen, the number of views per video, so I'm assuming this is doing really good. And let's look at the oldest videos of hers. They all started with videos on about her kid, and the older videos were just were okay kind of, and now they have really picked up. She's doing it like very professionally. Things are I believe these all were redone later. Like, see, she has these thumbnails done, and lots of tips and tricks and collabs and lots of giveaways. So let's really now check the growth of the channel, and let's see how much she really made. Let's start with the Beautiful Hamesha blog. So you can see this has been created in 2014. It has 23 uploads, 416 subscribers. It has a C+ grade, which is not really good. It's just doing okay, and she's making a minimum of $2 and a maximum of $33 on this channel. Why there's a min and max is that it all depends upon the clicks, the number of clicks, the number of views, and seasonal views would be there. Some videos just fizzle out, so things like that. So at a minimum she is making, let's see, around 134 rupees, and at a maximum it is around 2000 rupees. So this is not great, but it's just like some pocket money. So we can see that the monthly views have increased from around 2k to 6.89 and 7.36k views at present. Similarly, the number of subs, which were minimal around 10 per day, to now around 28 per day on this particular channel. And this channel, as you remember, it's making around 2000 rupees, which is not bad. Now let us look. This is Beautiful Hamesha blog. Okay, now let's look at the other channel which she has. So this channel is the Beautiful Hamesha Marathi channel. I anticipate that this channel will grow much better. Just because it's more focused, it's catering to one particular type of one community, the Marathi community. It's giving tips in the local language, and it has all the right things. So see, if you have beauty, it always works. Okay, beauty, love, things like that, relationships, day in the life. So this has all the right key ingredients here, and I anticipate that this will grow. Though as you see, it's been created in 2016. If you remember, the blog channel was in 2014. This is a much newer channel, pretty much very new. It has a C+ grade, not good, not bad, and the minimum it's making is $1, that's 67 rupees, and the maximum it's making at present is $20, so that could be around so that's around 1000 rupees, 1340 rupees. So she must be getting around 1000 rupees from this particular channel, which is not bad. It's just created. I mean, it's 3 months old, so it's really good. For that, for a 3-month-old channel, they are able to get in 1300 rupees. Now let's look the channel which you guys have actually requested about, and this is her. At present, I consider it her main channel, created in 2015. So if you have seen the first one, the blog was in 14, then they made the Marathi, then they made this channel, Indian Mom on Duty, which I think she totally handles. And then there's the Marathi channel which they created, maybe probably identifying a niche in the Maharashtrian market kind of. So this channel is doing pretty good. If you notice, it has a B grade. There are around 5000 subscribers, which is really neat in 9 months. So let's look at the views. Started from 0. It gradually, around March of 2016, it started really picking up, and now she gets around 198,000 views, real subscribers. And then at present, so you see, she's getting 1.43k subscribers. That's what she has got in the month of June. I'm expecting a phenomenal growth for this channel because she's really dedicated. She's doing videos sometimes even twice a week, twice a day. There's a daily video. That's a point to be noted. And also looks like she has some kind of an office setup as well. So this will work really well. They're doing it really good. And yeah, that's all about this particular lady. And please do like, subscribe this video, share your comments, and if you have some YouTube Indian vlogger you would like to have reviewed, please leave it in the comment box right below, and I will get to it as quickly as I can. So have fun. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.